Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to charge your GoPro Hero 9's battery. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So you've been using your GoPro Hero 9 all day, and now you need to go ahead and charge your battery. How would you go ahead and do that? Well, there's 3 easy ways that you can go ahead and charge your battery. First, we have to gain access to our battery. So the side that's opposite of the lens, let's go ahead and press down on this little ledge right here. So if we take our fingernails and kind of press down just like this, you will see there's some separation at the bottom. Then we can pull outward and we'll display the battery port where I have 1 battery in it. Below that is a USB-C area where we can actually plug in a USB charging cable. So the first way I'm going to show you how to charge is by using my standard phone charging cable that I've been using with my Galaxy S9. So here's my Samsung charger with a USB to USB-C cable. So I'm going to plug this directly into my GoPro right at the bottom. Then I'm going to take my charger and plug into my wall outlet. So here's my wall outlet. Let's go ahead and just plug this in. Now in the upper left side of the GoPro, you can see there is a light on indicating my GoPro is charging. If we go to the front, there is also a light. So if I unplug this, the light goes away and it starts blinking. Now the second way I charge my GoPro is by using the battery charger. So with the battery charger, I can charge 2 batteries at the same time, and this will plug in to the wall outlet using the same USB-C charging cable, just like that. And it does come with one, a small black one. However, the range really isn't too far on this, so it can be difficult to charge your batteries at specific wall outlets. And this one will give you an indication if the battery is done by displaying green or red or orange when it's still charging. Now there is a third way you can charge your batteries, and this involves going over your computer and locating an open USB port and plugging your cable into this, and then plugging the other end into your GoPro, and this will charge your GoPro. Now you can also do this with open USB ports in your car. Now you can even do it with like a PlayStation 4, since there is USB ports on this as well. So if I go over to my PlayStation 4 and I turn this on, my GoPro will charge for my PlayStation, my Xbox, my PlayStation 5, etc. Anything with a open USB port, even on the back of a TV when your TV is turned on. So you can be a little bit creative in where you want to plug your GoPro in and charge it from. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more GoPro tech help videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.